How often do we pause to consider the profound impact of nuclear weapons on our world? They are not just tools of destruction, but instruments that have reshaped the course of history and redefined the limits of human power. Today, we delve into the fascinating, albeit chilling, chronicle of these formidable forces from creation to deployment. In the early 20th century, the world was on the brink of a scientific revolution. Physicists were delving into the heart of the atom, unlocking secrets that would forever change our understanding of energy. Among them was Albert Einstein, whose revolutionary equation E=mc2 suggested that a tiny amount of matter could be converted into a vast amount of energy. This newfound knowledge set the stage for the development of nuclear weapons. In the midst of World War II, the United States initiated the Manhattan Project, a top-secret endeavor aimed at harnessing atomic energy for warfare. Under the direction of J. Robert Oppenheimer, a team of brilliant scientists assembled in Los Alamos, New Mexico, working tirelessly to turn theory into reality. By July of 1945, their efforts bore fruit. The world's first atomic bomb, codenamed Trinity, was detonated in the New Mexico desert, unleashing an unprecedented explosion that marked the dawn of the nuclear age. Yet this was not a mere scientific achievement. It was a harbinger of the devastation to come. A few weeks later, the cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in Japan would become the first, and so far only, targets of atomic warfare. The bombs dropped on these cities resulted in a death toll numbering in the hundreds of thousands, the majority of whom were civilians. The impact was immediate and horrific, but the long-term effects, radiation sickness, genetic damage, and environmental harm, would linger for decades. These events marked a turning point in global geopolitics. The nuclear arms race that followed, chiefly between the United States and the Soviet Union, fueled the tension of the Cold War and cast a shadow of potential nuclear annihilation over the world. The balance of power had shifted. No longer could nations wage war without the fear of total destruction. As we reflect on this narrative, several key points stand out. First, the creation of nuclear weapons was a testament to the dual-edged nature of scientific progress. It can lead to great advancements, but also to great destruction. Second, the use of these weapons in Hiroshima and Nagasaki demonstrated the immense and lasting devastation they can inflict. And finally, the subsequent nuclear arms race underscored the profound geopolitical impact of nuclear weapons, altering the dynamics of power and conflict on a global scale. Today, as we stand in the shadow of these monumental events, we are reminded of the enormous responsibility that comes with such power. The story of nuclear weapons is a stark reminder of the potential consequences when the boundaries of science and ethics collide. It is a tale that continues to unfold, shaping our present and undoubtedly our future.